Hey guys, how are you? It's Brandon from Auto Advantage, and I have a 2017 Kia Sportage, loaded EX model with a lot of add-ons. It has premium package, panel glass, heated steering wheel. Let me show you something right off the bat. On the Carfax, you'll see here that the long block was replaced. The motor has been replaced on this one, and it has excellent service. Let me take you for a walk around and show you the vehicle, okay? Here we go. As you can see, it's in a gray color. I keep the hood open so you can take a look. There's the motor that was replaced in 2022. Plenty of features on this one. You can see the fog light features, good looking rims, very good looking car. Integrated reflectors and blinkers into the side mirrors. Plenty of space in the back, leather black interior. It is an EX model, as I mentioned. Let's take a look at the trunk space. It's ample, as you can see. It's got a cargo cover in plastic to protect the carpet in the rear. The seats fold down. It is black leather. The windows are tinted, so you will not have to do that. Very easy to put the seats up. They have side levers here. Side levers right on the side. There's the nice black looking leather. As I said, it is tinted. Here's the panel glass, which is an extended sunroof. It has more space to retract. Let's take you inside of the door panel. As you can see, power locks, power mirrors, auto folding mirrors. Take you inside. It even has a heated steering wheel. That's what this is right here. Heated seats, heating steering wheel, 12 volt 180. Right here, aux, USB, another 12 volt 180 here. It has steering wheel controls for volume, for cruise, for Bluetooth. Has a nice looking screen, not tiny, good looking screen. Backup camera. And let me show you the roof. I told you that was an extended panel glass, as you can see. It's not your normal size sunroof. You see how it continues to go back? And there it is opening up. The heated seat is on right now, and it does work, believe that. There's the roof closing. It's got plenty of features on this one for sure. It's got EX premium package, panoramic sunroof, power folding mirrors, blind spot detection, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert. So very safe for the kids. If you want this for their first vehicle, for the mom or for the dad, you can do Home Depot runs, ample space, Costco runs, either or. 80,000 miles on a replaced motor, which is excellent. You got a lot of longevity on this vehicle. It's well equipped. It's definitely priced to sell. Come see us. Look at us online at www.ibuycleancars.com or give us a call, 760-280-7648. Again, Brandon, Auto Advantage. Check us out on Yelp. We have a very good presence there. 4.8 stars, about 90 reviews. Call, text, Auto Advantage, 760-280-7648. Until I meet you in person, good day.